Travi FS Hub, let's look at Euro AUD on monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, let's be very honest that Euro AUD is not moving. The market is more in the face of a consolidation. It's more in the face of a consolidation. But we must look at what price has done and see if the market is bullish or bearish. In 2008, we have the value of AUD, you need as much as 2.100305 Australian dollar for 1 euro, and that price fell to this level in 2012. So now we can see what's going on, and that the market is now neutral. Euro AUD is neutral. If you look at where price is at the moment, let's look at it using our Fibonacci, see how far we've gone from before, and to see where we are at the moment. The trade is almost neutral at 50% retracement. So from the bearish drop from 2009, price fell to 2012, and price tried to swing and always making it to at 50% retracement. So what we see here is that Euro AUD is becoming neutral. It looks like it's neutral, and you can see from the Fibonacci extension that price is resting at 50% retracement. At 50% retracement, price keep consolidating at 50% retracement, awaiting a breakout either from the roof or a breakout from the floor, where the major thrust will start. But at the moment, market is consolidating at 50% retracement. You can see it from the Fibonacci extension. So I really do not like what EOD is doing, but let's look at it. If it's tradable and get a point, this is what's going on. After price um, found support at 50% retracement, and price has been picking last month, found support at 50% retracement, 1.59331, and the price is playing within there. So what we'll do here is a deep dive into the structure, and let's get our facts right. So we're looking for break of structure. We want a roof, and we want a roof, and we want a floor. I want a roof and a floor. Is what I want at the moment. I want a roof and a floor. We have a break of structure and a possible retest. So we are going to be looking at the possible retest. We have the bearish drop from 2008 no price from. We have a nice structure from here. Where you begin to have impulse correction. You have here lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then price started changing to high, high, higher low. And we try to meet up to the previous high, and price dropped from that level. So it's okay if let's see what we have at that level. So we have here is an ascending trend line ATL. I don't want to mention that. So we have here price touch here, supply roof, price return here, supply roof in 2020, price updated here as supply roof in 2014, price updated here as supply roof in 2011, and another one at 2011 again. So this becomes a critical point and the psychological ascending trend line, where we found another structure from this level where we ultimately get our floor. So we're using a monthly time frame to analyze Euro AUD. Our analysis are based on the structure of the market. We can tolerate any form of indicator. So price here at this level, where we have here say the month floor after break of structure, and we have here another retest to the broken supply roof, and another retest to the broken supply roof. So we have here as supply roof, another supply roof, break of the supply roof, price comes here on demand 1, demand 2, demand 3, and in 2022 Euro AUD has left. And we have here as here at the month floor. After two touches of the demand floor, the structure is broken. The broken demand floor becomes the supply roof, test 1, test 2, break of the supply roof, demand floor, test 1, test 2, test 3, and the price has gone. So I want to state something that is very clear in the character and the normal fashion of Euro AUD, what price will likely do. So that if you are this is a neutral market, I might say on technical, this is really neutral for me. When we look at where price was in 2008 and look at where we are today, so it's almost like you can say between it's neutral, the market is neutral, but I go with a bullish idea, Euro AUD bullish. I want to go with Euro AUD bullish. I have my reasons based on economic fundamental data prints. Euro zone is way more stronger than Australian economy. Euro is larger than Australia. So when we look at it from an economic standpoint, there is a very high probability that Euro could begin to swing terribly against Australian dollar. So I put a strong bullish bias, Euro AUD bullish bias. So what we want to state here now is this should be our floor, where you can at any time price can dip down on a strong fundamental data print. Price can dip down to this floor to put liquidity for a buy. And why am I specific about this is what price has done in the past. That such fashion is repeatable where price can dip into a demand floor with a demand floor. So what happened here, look at what price has done in 2020, by the year 2019, 2020, price has dipped into the roof after updating the roof 1, 2, 3, 4 on a monthly and the fifth time drawdown. So because the market is neutral, price might dip down back with liquidity and continue to go up. But at this moment, we, we are concerned with what price is doing at this level. We have a structure, a strong breaker structure at this level, and it has held price actively where buyers have found support multiple times on daily time frame. So let's change the color to black. So for every time price comes here after breaking structure, break of the demand floor, price turns into supply roof, test of a supply structure, and break of a supply structure, price turns into demand. On this demand floor last month close rejection after price rejecting the level, price of swinging. But this market is more of a consolidating piece. So it's not really giving us a bullish price action like a kind of trade and sleep scenario. So in this case, we want to see a breakout, a monthly breakout from the roof, which I will change the color to yellow. We want to see a monthly breakout from the yellow line. That is 1.66941. The reason I choose this is because I'm capping the body of the candles. So if the monthly candle breaks above this level, which in the month of July 2023 is the highest the body of the candle have had. The rest are weeks. So this month is showing a very strong bullish price action for this month, and the month have few days to end. So let's see if the month can push, if the rally will push above 1.67239. If you have a break above that level, then on technical, it means that Euro AUD is ready for upswing. And when you look at the structure from the bottom, you've seen the price forming a reversal price action. This is more like it's more like looking like inverted head and shoulder. Let's look at it again. It looks like that. It's looking like inverted head and shoulder. That's a reversal price action, moving from downtrend to uptrend. And when you look at it critically, after updating the roof, price has gone to the floor. And on the floor, price has found demand multiple times in 2017 after breaking structure. Price returned 2022 and returned 2020 August, and it's making its move up. So what we want to see here is that we have a breakout from the yellow resistant supply roof. A breakout from that area will ultimately open a new wave of buy. You can see how price has been rejected from April 2023. Market has been consolidating with no stronger bullish move. But I think the price action might favor buyers. So what we want to watch here on a monthly time frame is to see the monthly candle close. Now the whole buy idea will depend on the monthly candle close. So monthly candle close above 1.67239. It's an opportunity to go long, indicating that euro will further swing up against Australian dollar. You begin to see it go up. And if that is the case, it will actually be a very long ride. So this is what you expect on structure. We are talking about the structure of the market and what price has done. And this is what you might expect. And if we get to this level and still the euro monetary policy cannot swing euro to break the 1.672 mark, the next candle can still begin to come down. And this time might come down to break the demand floor and ultimately test the floor again. This is also possible. So where this becomes your ultimate buy floor on a monthly time frame. So in trading, we always have two case scenarios. So don't make mistake of being one-sided. So it's just like when you are judging two people, you need to hear from both parties. You cannot judge somebody based on what somebody said about somebody. You need to look at both parties. So we have two things in trading. It's either it's swinging up and it's swinging down. And there are many factors that can swing a supposed upswing, downswing. And there are factors that will swing downswing, upswing. Fundamental analysis is one of such. A strong fundamental analysis will bring a strong bearish or bullish impulse over any particular pair. So this is what we see on a monthly time frame. Then on a lower time frame, like 1 hour, 2 hours, we start looking for buy opportunity. But while we're looking for buy opportunity, let us bear in mind that price is approaching a psychological supply roof, a psychological resistance structure since 2023. So there is a very high probability that you may be heading, you might put a buy and price will turn you to a sell. So this is something that is critical. Euro AUD, I will advise you keep off your AUD, keep off your AUD. I do not like the price action. I do not like it. So, but I've given my take on everything is tradable in the financial market, especially with Xavi FS of Market Structure Series. Everything is tradable. Everything is tradable. Nothing. So this is what we see. And but if you can be patient, if you cannot, look for a buy opportunity. But while you are buying, remember that 1.67239 is a supply roof. It's a monthly supply roof. So we want to see breakout of that supply roof. It's a supply roof that held price since 2020. Since 2020, no monthly candle body has ever crossed this mark. So go back and do your own educational research. And if we are seeing something different, the body of a monthly candle has never crossed this mark. The wick will pierce it, but the body will not. All we are looking for, all we are praying for is break and close, body of a candle above this mark for us to go long. If that doesn't happen, Going long on euro will not be a good idea. But if the monthly candle breaks above that, then wait for a little retest, then go long. That means euro is ready to smash Australian dollar. And there are many factors. If commodity markets start to perform badly in 2025, there's a very strong probability that the Australian economy will begin to shrink because they are commodity reliant economy. And this is what we see. Shall we first hold?